Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I will show you how to quickly arrange these objects on your canvas using the Inkscape and built-in Align tool. To do that, go to Object over here and click Align and Distribute, and you will have all the necessary tools on the right side. Let's say, for example, you want everything to be in the middle. Select all your objects on the canvas and select over here that says Center on Vertical Axis. So we are centered this on the vertical axis. But if you want to distribute them equally, you can select this one, and they will be equally distributed, but only on the top of the circle. If you want to evenly distribute on the middles, just click this, and they will be same. Or if you want to make the same difference between all of them, you can select, for example, this one. Like this, and go middle. If you want to push them on the right, or I mean on the left, you can push them on the left. You can align them on the left, middle, right, and hard right, like this. Okay, you can play with them like this. You can arrange them at the top. But what if you want to arrange these items to be at the center of the page? We don't know where the center of the page, and we don't want to guess it. So to do that, we want to select all the three of them. Let's say, for example, align them in the middle, and now hit Ctrl-G to group it and position it on the center. But to be perfectly precise, make sure to go over here under drawing that says a page. Okay, and now it will align this according to this page around. So if I hit center and middle, we have a perfect center and the middle of the page, and then you can ungroup it and you will be fine. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.